Kancha, baliktad. Sino yan? Ay, nako, si Bitokon. Hello, my loves! Lynn Venitis. Hello, Lina. Ano pa kumpra? At saka wala na akong kilay. Naubos na ang kilay ko. Present tangsak na! Natuwa ako sa ano mo, sa video mo. Kasi ano na siya, hindi siya katulad ng dati. First time na piniplay ko sis. Kasi ano, di ba nagplay ako kagabi, dapat 1 hour lang siya. Kagabi. Hoy, natapos ko lahat, day. Ayan, si Janet, ang babaeng dakong bilat. Ayun. Ikaw ba yan, Day? Second owner daw si Janet. Second owner si Janet. Yan si Jinbis. Si Jinbis yan. Yari sa kilay mo, yari sa kilay mo, shave ko sa'yo eh, wala kang 200 yun, kaya nga, yes, yan si John B, si Jane B's na, muni day, play mo ko dyan yung video ko, play ko nga yun lahat pa, kaya hindi lang yun, lahat pa, 10 oras, bukas ko na umaga yan balikan. Mamaya isend ko sa iyo para sigurado. Mami, ask Dada. Dada! Chocolate daw. Chocolate. I-blay ko chocolate daw. Gisanda ko sa anak Bisaya. Chocolate daw. Dada! Yes, nagluto ako ng leche plan mga inday. Ang tarap-tarap. Di ka man lang nagkilay. Ay, yaan mo na. Uy, nakakapagod kaya ang ano, uy. Ano ba? Saan ba kasi ang i-play ko, Janet? Itong Janet Bisdorf o kayo yung number 21? Sino yun? Sino yun? Message siya sa messenger, eh. Bahala, di sana ako na-open. Ako nag-try mag-LS, naluka ako ha, di ko makapag-live. Bakit? Bakit di ka makapag-live? Bakit yun dati, yun ang mo, i-go mo, i-go, i-continue mo yun. Di ba nakaano ka dati? Ganun pala, Janet. Sige. Maya na, oy. Saglit lang naman ako. Saglit lang ako today. Hoy, alam niyo ba, nakakaluka kahapon, di ba? Di ba 3 hours ako kahapon, si Slin? Di ba? So, nag-10 naman tayo, tapos 8, 7, tapos 10 na naman, ganun. Alam mo ba, 90 seconds, 90 minutes lang ang binigay ni ni Cordapio. 90 seconds lang ang binigay niya sa akin, nabuang na. Niyabag na, nabuang na siguro yung si Whitey. PM lang kita, host. Sige. Ewan ko ba, sisi ko, tinuturuan ako ni Ray Leonard, nag-alarm talaga siya. Oh, bakit yari? Ewan ko, anong nangyari dyan? Baka sa signal mo. Baka sa internet mo, sis. Nag-abang din ako kagabi. Alauna na ako natulog, kaya na-play ko yung lahat sa iyo. Kasi alauna na ako natulog kagabi. Nag-abang ako, sabi ko, mag-aalarm si Leonard. So, alauna na ako matutulog. Alauna na ako natulog, wala pa din, alas 12 dito. Tinignan ko, wala naman si si Lynn. Wala namang LS si Lynn. Wala ka namang LS, kaya sabi ko, nakatulog na siguro yun. Pamindalawa ng asawa ko, gising pa kami alauna kasi may hinihintay siya na news yung galing sa alauna pa daw ang news noon. Hinihintay niya talaga. Tapos ako din, natulog din ako alauna na 1:20. Wala kang LS, oy. Bakit? Grabe siya, wala. Whitey talaga. Alas 2 na ako nakatulog ha. Ako alauna, 1:25 na akong tulog sa kadlawon. Si Janet. Grabe si Whitey talaga. Grabe talaga, Day. Diyos ko, Day. Parang nawalan ako ng gana na tuloy. Ay, usap. Sabi ko, 90 minutes lang. Nabuang siya. Over siya, ha. Over na over talaga. Ano yun? 3 hours ako dun? Alas 2 na ako natulog. Bakit ganun nangyari sa'yo? O, iwan ko. 90 lang siya, Day, talaga. Nabigla nga ang asawa ko, sabi niya, ha? Ganyan lang ba kinikita mo pag nagla-live ka? Tapos, pag mawalan ka ng wifi, halos mo ako palayasin. Inaaway mo ako talaga, sabi niya ganun. Tapos yan lang pala ang kinikita mo, sabi niya. Sabi ko, hindi naman ganyan. Sabi ko, hindi naman ganyan. First time ko yun kagabi. Ewan ko talaga. Sabi nila, pag makatungtong ka na daw ng 2K watch hour, mabagal na daw ang pasok. Grabe namang bagal na yun. Uy, grabe na over naman yun. Oo, Day. Sis Lynn, ako, Diyos ko. Ay, nagalit talaga. Nagalit din ang asawa ko kasi pag nawalan ako ng wifi, inaaway ko siya. Sabi niya, yun lang pala ang kita mo. Sabi niya, yun lang pala ang kapalit ng mo, pag-away-away mo sa akin, 90 minutes lang yung 3 hours. Sabi niya, naglulukuhan ata kayo dyan, sabi niya. Sabi ko, ipupush ko na lang to, puyat na ako nito. Naranasan ko ng lahat na dapat naranasan sa Whitey. Sabi ko nang ganun. 90 lang talaga siya, promise. Sana pinicturan ko yun. Si Ems na lang kasi yung nakachat ko noon. Kahit nag-out na ako, di ba, makakachat ka pa din. Nung nalumabas na yung 90 minutes, chinat ko pabalik si Ems. Sobra talaga si Lulu. Oo, 90. Grabe yun. Kaya sabi ko, uy, Diyos ko. Mawalan-walan pa tayo ng busis sa kakatawa. Diyos ko. Pero galit parang na-ups yung mga kadaldala natin, yung mga pinag-uusap-usapan natin. Ang nami-miss ko talaga sa Whitey, yung mga ganito, yung mga usapan natin, tapos kasi mabayaran ang kasayahan, di ba? Totoo talaga 'yan, no? Totoo talaga yan kasi ng asawa ko. Pero okay na din yan kasi hindi mo na ako naaway, sabi niya, hindi na daw ako katulad noon na nai-stress ako pag nasa bahay lang ako. Huwag ka nang tumawa, host. Iiyak na lang ako, oy. Enjoy na lang natin, sisi ko. Oo, ang dami nga dyan. Kaya yan nga si Aymilad. Puro bilat na ang pinag-usapan yan. Hindi nga yan na ni Lolo. Puro lubot, kigwa, mga ganun-ganun pa nga yung pinag-usapan yan. Pero tignan mo siya. Tayo itaw-tawa lang, walang words yun. Binabawasan ni Lolo mga tao. Bala siya, oy. Ingitiro na si Lolo. Loser man si Lolo, oy. Katod, kung alam ko lang bahay ni Lolo ba, pinadalhan ko na yan Bombay. marami nang nagpadala niya ng Bomba. Ay, nako. Di naman, uy, okay naman yung tawa, uy. May isang ang LS na pasukan ako, sabi niya. Kasi tawa ng tawa yung isa, sabi niya, kasi tawa ng tawa sa ano. Insecure si Lolo, kaya nga insecure, in love si Lolo sa... Ay, Lolo, I love you to. Sabi nung nag-LS ba, sabi niya, huy, huwag kang tawa ng tawa, masi-PR tayo. Ano kasi PR ba yung tawa? Kaluka naman siya, eh. Hindi naman nakakasipir ang tawa. Buang na. Yabag siya. Ay, na-inlove si Lolo sa akin. Magsabi ka lang, papahirapan niya tayo. Totoo ba yun, sis Janet? Kasi, oo. Kasi ikaw, namulit ka na naman talaga. Nadanasan mo naman na talaga lahat na. Asas! Uy, bawal! Bawal ka na! Next.
Wait, ano
Ako na siya gabi. 90 minutes? Naunsa man mo, maura din na inyong kita. Mangaway pa mo mga bana na siya.
Maybe, is that live?
Ha?
Is that live?
Yes. Why? Namatay na siya, wala. Live day na. Ay, nako, papansin lang si Lolo sa'yo, sisi ko. Kaya nga, di ko na kasi yan pinapansin. Pati batawa, masipya. Hola, niya, amiga. GGBS. Hello, good evening. Shout out, GGBS. Scandal movie na this. Sweet na nabis na oil. Sweet talaga yan, oy. Kaya ikaw, maghanap ka ng yung medyo matanda sa imo. Kay, yung medyo may edad sa imo ba kay, sarap silang magmahal. Masarap magmahal ang matanda, di ba, dada? Como é que esta buseto do sua família? Como é, ano daw? Dada, help! Dada! What it mean? Como é que esta você e tudo sua família? Hindi din. GGVS, naintindihan. GGVS, you need to talk English. Meron akong banana sisi ko. Meron akong banana sisi. Wow! Meron na. Ay, oo nga pala. Oo, meron na pala talaga siyang banana. Ikaw naman kasi hanap ng banana. Akala ko na totoo. Diyos ko, ikaw talaga. Exit sa ko ha. Salamat, Janet, sis Janet. Magchika na taon niya. Matanda na rin, 10 taon sa akin ang edad. Okay. Diba? Masarap sila magmahal. Ang sarap ng magmahal, di ba? Totoo yun. Ay, Diyos ko. Tudo bem com vocês? Tudo bem. Roupa, uniform. Ba't mo dinilet si Slin? GGPS, do you have a live stream? Bosete live streaming. Eu quero visitar no live. Ang gamit ko kasi telepon ko. Kaya pisil ako ng pisil. Sus, kaloka. Kaya ayaw ko talaga ng telepono. Gusto ko doon sa talaga kay Whitey. Mas lalo na itong maliit ang kikitain natin dito kasi telepono, hindi kay Whitey. Dada? You smoke again? Ano? Napaapat emoji ko, sisi. Ah, kaya pala. Salamat, sis. Hello! Hello, Jacob. How are you? How is your brother? How was the surgery? Is everything... You smoke again, Dada, ha? I can smell. Hello, Melanie, sis Melanie. Ilo, ho. Shout out. Ilo daw. Ilo na naman. Ilo. Melanie, ipi-play all ka na naman kita mamaya kasi kagabi natapos ko si Sisley ng play all. So ikaw naman ang ipi-play all ko. Ikaw at saka si salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hola. GGVS. Hola daw. Hello daw. Hello. Shout out to GGVS. Shout out to Jacob. Shout out Melanie. I'm doing iron. Nagpa-plancha ako ba? Wala pa na akong bra. Shout out to all from Melanie Berino. Sis Melanie, ipi-play all kita mamaya. Ilang araw ba yan? Ano? Anong row? Anong ilang row? Ako sis, pag bago ako matulog, may pini-play out talaga ako tatlong tao yan ang pi-play out ko sabay-sabay yan sa isang gabi. Araw yan sis. Sisi. Ano ilang araw hindi katulad sa iyo konti lang yung videos mo. Kay Melanie konti lang din. Pagising ko ayun, automatic na siyang namamatay. Sige ho, salamat. Ako ang magpapasalamat. Ganun na lang kasi yung pagtambay nyo sa akin, ibig sabihin nun, kailangan nyo din ng watch hour. So, ibabalik ko na lang. Kaysa naman, i-play ko palagi yung mga video. Naman yung internet kung hindi mo gagamitin. Di ginagamit ko, piniplay ko kayo. Kasi kung pwede lang, i-play ko yung sarili ko, i-play ko yung sarili ko. Peace! Sabi niya, peace. Ah, okay, sisi ko. Depende, may iba naman noon kasi uto-uto ako. Nag-play ako ng kung sino-sino, wala nang bayad. Mag-ilis ako, hindi naman pumupunta kaya hindi na ako nagpe-play all sa mga tao hindi pupunta sa ilis ko. Isang beses lang pumunta, hindi ko 'yun Hindi katulad sa inyo, si Sislin, halos araw-araw si Sislin. So, every 2 days, ipi-play ko si Sislin. Pero kagabi kasi, wala akong pina-play. Si Leonard, binayaran ko. Si M-Star, binayaran ko pagkatapos ng LS. Tapos siya ng hours lang yun sa kanya. So, pinay ko si Lynn at saka si Leonard. Si Lynn, nagtuloy-tuloy kasi nakatulog na ako ng alauna. Naghintay ako sa LS niya. Walang LS. Alauna na ako natulog. 1:25 AM na yun. Kaya, ayun. Sabi ko, ay play all ko na lang si Sislin. Si Leonard nga kanina. Imbis 1 hour lang yun sa kanina. Okay, Sisi. Nag-ikot naman ako. Ha, ha, ha. Nag-ikot ka na naman. Marami ng isda si Melanie siguro kasi palagi nag-iikot. Di ba pwede ibang ninja gamitin mo? Kahit marami kang ninja, kung isang account lang ang isang browser lang ginagamit mo, hindi pwede. Pero kung marami kang browser, pwede mo siyang i-play ang sarili mo. Meron naman ako 2 browser, pero iba pa rin yung marami, sana. Pero natatakot ako, kaya hinahinay lang. Sis Melanie, ito telepono ko ang gamit ko sa live ko. Pisil ako ng pisil. Nakakaloka ang cellphone. Kung ninja lang kasi ang gamit mo, tapos isa lang browser ang ginagamit mo sa mga ninja mo, doon yan, makikita pa din yan doon sa account mo. Kaya dapat iba-iba ang browser na ginagamit mo. At iba-iba ang account. Kasi kung Google Chrome ka lang, tapos may ninja ka sa Google Chrome, yun pa rin. Dapat iba-iba ang browser. Ang ano lang, ang nakakapagod sa cellphone, pisil ka ng pisil kasi di mo makikita yung di mo makikita yung mga chat nila kung di mo siya pipisilin ng pipisilin. Mahina pa naman ang signal dito sa sa isang kwarto. Pero ano lang naman to, ang uniform lang ni husband ang natapos din. Okay, chakits. Bukas na yung iba kapoy. Init. Busy lang muna si Pico, host, ha? Bumaba si Madam. Sige ka dyan. Kita ka ni Madam. Madam! Balik ka ulit sa taas, Madam. Sabihin mong ganon. Nawala si Jacob at si GBS. Si Jacob kasi nasa ospital yun. Naoperahan yung kapatid niya kasi may cancer. Kaya nasa Alo, may bayot. Nagpalansya ako bayot. Kawawa ako bayot. Sus, napamanday siya. Uniform, kabalo lang ko. Si bayot, natulog naman si bayot. Nagmata pa man eh. Kabayot, kagabi bayot. Lagot kay ko sa imong lolo. Lagot kay ko sa imong lolo yot kay kuan yot. Sa 3 bayot. Mayabag ko ni lolo yot. Ako ata inaiwan kagabi sa LS mo. Ay, nandun ka pa pala yot sa kaluin bayot. Tapos na kasi yung tutor kaya kausap. Salamat. Ito, lumagpas na naman na to. Tulog ako, wala akong alam. Bakit wala kang alam? Magising ako nila freeze si Red. Hihihi. Ano? Grabe naman yung mga mo kanina, yung mga kanta-kantahin mo kanina. Ang sexy mo pa naka-green si Bayot. Kung sa asang na dapat na inyong tambayanan ng sigihan yung kanta-kanta. Maramag ka ng kuan, maramag balay. Saan na balay o unsa man na bar? Boarding house na mo. Ay, nyo rin ang boarding house. Bibo man kay sila. Sing-along. Mau gani magdiskuhan. Butangan. Wala akong signal. Zero lagi akong views. Di ko kali oy na kuyaw kayo oy ayo magtambay-tambay tanaw tong mga nga disgrasya o nga mga OFW. Ang hilig kayo magtambay-tambay des gawas. Kuyaw kayo oy. Dili maayo magtambay-tambay sa gawas. Delikado man sa gawas. Ako sa una sa thumbs up. Salamat yut. Hoy bayut, nga naman na si Lolo bayut. Nakaki watch hour lang ko giiyan akong kalukat to sa kagabi iyot ba 90 minutes ra iyang gatag sa ko ayut. 90 minutes ra iyang gatag, niyabag na siya. 3 hours, 90 minutes niya po akong views gabi niabot magay kog tamsak nga 16 man ato to 18. Nya 3 hours na nabuang mas lulo. Yabag. Oo, 90 minutes. Unsa lugar to? Dula-dula ra ta to. Ano dito? Nga na tinud na yut. Kung maabot na daw kag tuki kay magkamang na daw ang oras ang mo pasok. Wala katulog man gani ko. Kaya nga 90 minutes ra, 90 so 1 hour ra kapin. Niyabag siya. Sorry ko ganahin na YouTube uy. Hala, BG baya silang naaman gabi nga mga nabiling gabi nga upat pa. Katong hapit na kunuman up yung upat ato kay na ikaw si Ate Simple Inday si ambot naon sa to. Pagkaron di gyapon siya mga tawag tarong. Di na ako mag-live. Bahala siya. Niyabag siya. Basta ikot-ikot ka. Wala man kayo ko nag-ikot yun. Nagdula man kami may gabi eh. Nagdula man kami may pinahinyo. Talagsa naman ang akong ikot gabi eh. Basin sa ako atong ko ano title no? Ang title puro buang man to.
So we can get to 47 back here, ready to bring up phase 2 once you get eyes on Shaw. Oh, I'll bring up some more.
Ang title gabi ba? Tungod to banana.
So that, they grab it and partake.
Lagi yun to eh. I-edit imong title yun. I-edit na ko to. Niyabog na. Kaya ako mo itong title kay tuwid na banana. Gusto mo? Nga naman. Kita ang ilong nga flat. Maman to akong gikuan. Mamugod to yung ako itong i-edit unya. Niyabog na. Tananan ko karon kung mautro ba. Linog ko siya kung dada. Di gi multahan pag multa niya oy nagsaba unta siya nagwarning unta siya. Nagwarning unta siya yut kay aron ma-aware ko. Abi magud na ako kung abi magud na ako tug okay ra oy. Ako tong i-delete. Magpapayat na jud ko yut. Oy, murag naka-courage. Napud ko mag-diet. Ay sus, ginoo ko sugdan nimo yon. Dangan dai nimo ba? Triple ang mabalik nimo na oy. Ayun ay ang imo lang ko nang naman kay trabaho. Ano man ka di makatambok. Okay ra man imong lawas. Mas dako pa gani siguro ko sa imuha. Makita akong chikininots. Taas ra imo appeal. O nga naman. Hindi taas ra imo appeal. Subo. Saka dia. Unsa man imo buto sa butyot? Oo ka sabot. Dito lang ako, host. Busy lang. Salamat, Melanie. Naan naman ka forever. Ako wala ha. Yabog ka. Nako. Nari kay anak yun. Imo nitong anak tong na dito sa inyo ha? Nagluto ba akong kuan? Leche flan. Ya, wala man ko tangan ako kaprang. Team dadto tabunan reg kuan panapton.
So if you're feeling froggy, then you better jump because this frogman's been there, done that.
Ako rin, taman ako sa sa 2 hours na ko taman. Naka 1 hour na tayo. Naka 1 hour, naka 33 minutes na tayo. Iwan nyo lang yan, i-video nyo lang yan kasi mag-ano din ako ng dinner. So, ano natin. Kagabi kasi nagpalaro kami, ayoko munang palaro ngayon. Gusto kong mag-ano muna ngayon, mag-rest-rest. Sobrang nakakapagod yung mag-play-play talaga. Tulog na tulog. Good night. Bayot. Naka-cellphone naman ko. Cellphone na akong gawiran kay nagplansya ko ganiya niya. Kay nahuman naman ko plansa di. Ako na ning hawiran. Napasubo na dito. Di ko lang alam kung hanggang kailan yung battery ko. Si Junakins na. Tignan ko yung ano. Yung leche plan ko. Dada! Help me to check the leche plan. Because I cannot go in that thing with this one. The internet here. It's not lang. Sobrang init dito. Yan to si my husband. It's there. Walang damit. Wait, can I see?
It's showing you that
I know. Ang lubot. Dada ba? Gamatitot. Gamatitot man yung lubot dada. Check dada, check. Maybe no more water? Careful, it's hot.
not a water stove. I want.
Still have water. Can you hold this one? I'm gonna check with. So, just talk.
I must hold this one, but I'll hold it here because otherwise you're gonna see my sexy chest. I'm not coming there. I know the reception is not good there. Look, Mama's there in the kitchen. Who's this here? Lynn Benitez.
What? Is my sister? You must press the screen so you can see the chat.
Oh, press the screen so I can see the chats. Oh, okay. Yeah, but they're not chatting now. They waiting for you.
Talk!
I'm talking.
You must talk because I want to.
Oh.
Ayan, my sis Lynn, you must talk I must tell the name. I must tell the
What
name.
happened here? It's gone.
What you
I
did?
didn't do anything.
Yes, hello Happy Nieces. I want to bake, I want to put in the oven this one. Siya ang pinano ko sis kasi kami nagluto ng dinner, mga katok-katok kasi kami.
Where are you going?
Mga praning-praningon.
Ayaw, Dada. Come. I'm gonna take your pillow.
Tudo, to. I want.
You want what?
Okay, make my sandwich.
Make your sandwich.
No, that one butter and cheese, then put in the oven.
And then toast.
Yeah, toast.
Open or closed?
Open and close.
Close sandwich. Close sandwich.
Open and close. Huwag ko kasabot. Hindi ko naintindihan kasi.
Ay.
How are you, Happy Sweet? Naman nila, huwag kayong ganyan. Kakaingin. She said, You are both sweet. Don't do that. I'm jealous.
It's normal for
Hoy, you have channel. You must do live.
I don't have time.
Meron yan siya channel, sis. Naubos na ang subscriber niya.
My life will be them. They will watch me sleeping.
No, if I finish if I'm finish my channel, I'm gonna work that one. Tatrabahoin ko yung channel niya pagkatapos ko na sa akin.
Toast cheese, 1 or 2. Closed.
4.
In the middle.
4.
4 slices.
Yes.
2 sandwich.
Wait.
Or you want open with cheese?
Wait, open and then butter and then cheese and then close and then
toast.
1. Yes, and then.
And then another one like that.
But in the top of the bread, put butter. Put butter so it's golden.
Don't do that, Nino.
You want bread? Gusto na niya bread, diba? Yari sa mga banana niya. Sa banana niya. Anong yari sa banana niya? Ay, nako. Yari sa mga banana niyan. Niya. Gusto mo ba daw ng banana? Sabi niya. Ay, yung milk bottle ni baby. Oh. Yan natin kasi nandiyan yung milk bottle ni baby. Tago natin. Tago. Nakita mo pala? Nakita mo pala? Grabe yung pimple ko, sis, oh. Di mo ba yan napansin kagabi? Kagabi lang yan. Ano na yan? 3 araw na 4. Banana ni Habi mo. Tuwid yan, tuwid. Tuwid ang banana ni Habi. Ano ang oras na ba? 7, 8. Wala pang 8. May piniplay kasi ako na 2 hours. Na anong gawa mo ngayon, sis? Sa Pilipinas? Iwala ka. Mag-ipon ka na para hindi ka na umalis ulit. Kasi ang hirap mag-isa. Hirap mag-isa. Pero yung sa akin kasi noon, yung hindi pa kami pa, nag-umalis ako, ang dami niyang plano. Ayun, magpatay siya ng bahay. Pera kung gamitin mo, magpapaaral pa ako ng mga anak mo. Hoy, tapos bubuhayin pa kita. Ibuhay ko na lang sa magulang ko. Kaya yun, di talaga ako nagpapadala sa kanya ng pera kasi sabi mo, sisi ko, iipon ako, sisi ko. Oo nga, mag-ipon ka na. Mag-ipon ka nga. Mag-ipon ka na, sis, kasi para magkasama na kayo. Ang hirap pag malayo. Pero sa akin kasi noon, hindi ako nahirapan na malayo ako sa kanya kasi hindi na kami okay noon. Magulo na kami noon. Magulo na kami kanis. Wala. Pa second floor ako ng bahay. Tiles na lang ang bintana. Oo, ano mo yung bahay. Pag matapos mo na yung bahay, mag-ipon ka na. Makakaipon ka na yan pag natapos na yung bahay. Tapos, negosyo ka na. O, di may bahay ka na, may negosyo ka pa. Diba? Yung sa amin, ilang taon na yun, magtatatlong taon na, hindi pa din na natapos. Si Bayot ba, wag ka nang mag-alala dyan, Bayot. Matulog ka na dyan, Bayot. Gikas pa ng guro ko, katulong kay kang ulo. Si Red na mag-BJ, salamat, Bayot. Nag-aaral pa mga anak ko, sisi ko. Buti nga sa'yo, nag-aaral, siguro may palapit na, kunti, ilang taon na lang. Sa akin, nagsisimula pa lang. Sa akin, Bayot. Pa lang, gagraduate siya ng grade 6, mag-grade 7, grade 8, ay Diyos ko, my Lord. Tapos, sunod-sunod pa yung dalawa. Magkasunod lang yung dalawa. Grade 8 na kasi panganay ko. Ay, malapit na yan, ay. Yung sa akin, nagsana-sana all na dito sa Facebook. Nag-ano-ano na siya doon na, sana all my love, my boyfriend. Ay, sus, Ginoo Mariusip. Bunso ko, grade 6 na. Ay, malalaki na pala. Na akong anak nga, isa, ang kinaulangan, nagsana-sana all na. Apil ang manghod. Pati pati ang bunso, nagsana all na sa Facebook. Kalorky. Ay, no, Baba, you're gonna break your patay tayo dyan kung sana all my boy. Oo, ay, sana all. Ay, sabi ko sa kanila, Papa, no. Nag-inom ako coke. Alak ka, bayot. Kaya ka tumaba. Kasi coke ka na, ano na yan, anong oras na ngayon? As 12 na sa inyo. Ay, madaling araw na. Launa na. Nag-coke ka pa. Sus, Mariusip, ni mo bayot. Pagkapi na lang ka, bayot. Magkapi ka na lang. At least ang kape, wala naman yung caffeine, hindi naman yan ano talaga. Kaysa coke, oy, Diyos ko ang sugar. 1 spoon lang na 1 tablespoon, no, 1 teaspoon. Ngayon, 1/4 na lang talaga siya ang nilalagay ko. Kabataan talaga ngayon, mapupusok na, mabilis ma-in love. Oo nga, ano na siya, mag-flirt na siya sa mga lalaki. Bili ka ng telepono, binilhan kita agad-agad kasi akala ko magkaka-chat tayo everyday. Mag-chat ka lang kung magsabihin mo, ma, kailan ka magpapadala? Sinabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya, si mama naman, wala kasi internet dito. Hoy, wag kang magsinungaling kasi nakita kong online ka. Nagpo-post ka pa doon ng sana all. Anong sana all? Sabi ko, pauwi na ako, sabi ko. Pag hindi kayo sumunod sa akin, ihatid ko kayo sa papa ninyo. Sabi ko sa Magsana all ka dyan ha, Ginoo ko, mga bata talaga, ay sus Mariusip. Ano pa siya ano ba yan? Ano pa siya, yung hindi ko agad maibigay sa kanya. Ano pa siya na si mama talaga, ang tagal mo na dyan, hindi ka na nga umuwi. Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos, kaunti lang nga yung binigay namin, hinihingi ako ng pera dito, wala akong trabaho, sabi ko. Naghihintay lang akong bigyan ako ng tito ninyo, sabi ko ng gano'n. Tapos sabi niya, nagkwento lang ako, sabi niya. Ayusin mo naman kamera mo. Na ano nangyayari sa kamera ko? Ano nangyayari? Kilay mo, nakikita ako. Kinsa yot, ay nako yot, ang mga nakin yot. Ako yot. Yung mga anak ko yot, nagpabili kasi ng cellphone. Tapos ko yot, sana all na sa Facebook. Sana all may boyfriend daw. Sana all ano ba yun? Akong anak, GF na, sus Mariusip. Diyos ko, Mariusip. Kaya nga, sabi ko doon sa Facebook, nagsana all ka na. Nagsana all din, kahit mga wrong spelling yung kanang hindi pa kasi, low learner siya, yung bunso ko. Ang tagal niya maka yung, ano ba yun? Ngayon, wrong spelling siya lahat. At saka hindi pa siya marunong masyadong magbasa. Buti na lang anak ko, wala pang ganyan, mahiyain pa. Ay, ganda yung, ay, pero wag ka, mahiyain. Pag ma-inlove yan sa bisis, dire-diretso. Silin. Kilay na kalahati ang nakikita mo. Kalahati na lang yung kilay ko na wala na yung drawing. Nagtabingi pa. Hindi pa nga yan original. Pag hinawakan ko, naubos talaga yan lahat. Yung ay, sis Mariusip. Nahiya kasi ako sa pimples ko kasi wala akong brain. Ako noon talaga, nagka-boyfriend lang ako, mga 4th year high school na ako, pag-graduate na ako. Tapos, paggabi, gusto niya bumisita sa bahay paggabi. Ay, ako, ako, palagi kong puyat. Sabi ko, Niwalayan ko. Tapos, nung niwalayan ko na siya, wala, nagdating-datingan na ang mga magbisita. Hindi ko pa, mga hindi ko pa, view ba? Ala, minsan, magsabay-sabay. Mayabag na. Di mo man lang ginuhitan sa kanina, na-delete na. I-edit ko lang yan mamaya. Ay, naku, Diyos ko, Len. Tinatamad na ako, Len. Diyos ko, alam mo ba? Diyos ko, Lord. Magpaglinggo, imbis na relax ko yan. Ang dami kong gagawin niya. Kasi, ang balak namin kanina, magsisimba kami ng 7:30. Ay, sus nako, nagising alas 6. Tapos, maghanda pa ako ng ano. Ay, nako, iwan ko. Alas 9 na kami kapunta. Sikan mas na. Bakit ka nahihiya sa pimples mo? Okay lang yan. Marami din ako niyan. Marami din ako niyan. Mayaman ka sa bigas. Mayaman ka sa bigas, sis. Bayot, nag-cook na si Bayot. Di na katulog. Oy, bakla. Hindi ka makatulog niyan sa cook na yan. Harang. Oy, wag niyong skip sa akin. Kailan ba yung harang? Oy, Bayot, turuan mo ako pag makaano na, ha? Makaturuan mo kami. Yung paano mag-register ng AdSense. Kung ano ang gagawin. Ang layo ko pa naman, pero at least ba, mayroong tutulong sa atin. Kasi nahiya tayo sa iba, baka ano nila tayo, underestimate. DJ, oh, inom ng kakok diha. So, yung coke na sana, kape na lang yan. Ito ng ulo ko ay. Wala na akong kuto. Siguro ano to, kaspa. Yung ano ba, yung dandruff. Ano yung ano ko, yung buko. Gusto ko na siyang putulan. Sino bang panglima dyan? Si Red Butterfly, si Lynn Benitez, si Melanie. Sino ang dalawa? Ah! Yung sasawa ko isa. Ang isa, si ate siguro yan yung kapatid ko. Sa Wither? Oo, kasi mainit dito. Mag-ano ako na kaya siguro siguro ito sa pawis ba? Kunti lang naman yung buko sana. Hindi na siya makapal. Ano, this month, mga linya 20, punta kami ng sa South. Ano, 2 linggo kami doon. Itutoy ko doon ko kayo doon sa South. Maganda doon, malamig. Punta kami sa biyanan ko. Maganda doon kasi ang lugar nila parang Amerika, maganda. Busy ko muna. Hi, salamat Lin. Ako na balalin. Iano mo yan, i-play mo yung mga video ni Bayot ako, pero rakista para makariharang siya si Lin kahit tatlong video lang. Luto lang ako. Sige. Yung Junakins ko ang Junakins. Did you put all? Salamat sa 6 na nandyan. Salamat. Ay, nawala si pang-6. Si Melanie ang yan ko ngayon. Ipi-play ko si Melanie. Bukas ka na naman si Slin. Tapos si Bayot harang ang hanap niya ni harang. Anong oras na ba? Wala pang 8. Harang ang hanap mo Bayot, di ba? Sino yung pang-6? Magpakilala ka naman pang-6 para maibalik ko sa iyo kahit isang video o 2 video. Sino yung pang-ani? Magpakilala para bigyan ko ng oras. Mabigyan ko ng oras. Ivy po dyan! Hindi pa inaantok. Hindi pa inaantok. Yeah, now in Indonesia, it's already 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock already or 1 o'clock in the morning. Hello, Ivy. You must sleep. Oh, hindi pa inaantok. Hindi pa inaantok si Ivy. Jackie Chan. Use tonight and I will check if it's I'm gonna put play all. Here 1:43 in the morning. Yes, I know, right? Like half day. The different. Ivy po dyan, I'm gonna put play all to your videos later. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ikaw. Uh-oh. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Hello, everybody. Dito na si ako. Pagkatapos natin, Melanie, ipi-play kita. Ikaw at saka si Ivy Puja. I'm gonna give you play all tonight until tomorrow morning. Kasi dalawang, ano naman na, kagabi si Lynn. Nang puso ikaw ang nagibig na binigay. Why? Finish? Akin na may kapal. Oo. Depends. No, it's like drum. Oo. Ikaw. I really don't know that song. Here I am. It's my son. Look, my son. Huh? Ah, yeah.
And she let me know that she had been very sick, and that's how she passed. Gracie was very determined to let someone know that she was there, and she also wanted to find her mother.
Really? When you gonna do live streaming? You must sing that one. You must sing that when you're gonna do live streaming. You must try do live streaming maybe tomorrow. In the night there because it's afternoon here. Morning I'm busy. Then me and Sislin and Melanie we're gonna go there to stay and we're gonna listen your song. Oh, not now. Not now. I have one subscribers. He said if he do live streaming, the first day of live streaming, he need ambulance beside him because maybe he gonna pass out or he have fever. Yeah, I want sing a song ikaw for you, Magdalena. Magdalena, anak, ala, etc. Oh, ala also. Magdalena, ikaw ay sawing palad. That's Freddy Aguilar. Freddy Aguilar, Magdalena. Ay, nako. Wait, get now. That one is already enough. Go get now. He don't have clothes. He don't like to wear clothes in the house.
One of the very last things that we did was say a prayer of protection. Things were escalating just really fast. We needed to end the investigation before someone was got hurt.
Okay, and then send me the link. Send me the link. IB. IB Puja. It's Melanie say. Melanie Verino say IB Puja. Unahan mo yan sis kasi ano yan galing yan ng Indonesia.
And those forces probably...
At palagi talaga yan siya sa ano ko, sa live streaming ko. Kailan nila maiintindihan? Loading there, yeah, loading. It's very crazy that loading. Hi, IBTV1, you're back. Connect. IB, VTV. Thank you so much.
I do wish I could have gotten rid of the
Two for you. Connect two for you. Hi.
I do believe that this
My friend, how are you, TV? VTV1.
she's still worried about it.
VTV1. Shout out VTV1.
She does.
I'm gonna visit you later, VTV1. VTV1.
Still to come, ghost hunters open the door to a bright midnight. They enter a home with a long history of hauntings.
I felt like I was in that fight for my life.
But first, paranormal investigators go to a remote island and learn the hard way that they are not welcome.
Melanie Berino, good morning also, my friend. Maraming salamat po. Okay. I'm Vietnam. From Vietnam. Our friend Ivy Puja is from Indonesia.
From Vietnam.
Vietnam, yes. Hala, naka-live si VTV1 host. I'm very good. VTV1, you are in the live streaming. I'm gonna put... Puntahan mo, Melanie. Melanie, bisitahan mo nga, sis. VTV1.
Paranormal Survivor, Stealth Saturday on CBS Reality.
Wait. VTV1.
Off the coast of Charlie Boy, Michigan.
Wow, ang galing you know how to speak Tagalog. Ivy. Sige, thank you. Melanie is on the way. Melanie, puntahan mo nga. Melanie, sis. VTV1, sis. Ako na bahala sa'yo, sis.
was home to a Mormon colony led by James Strang, their self-proclaimed king. While he is credited with building up the island after just a few years, his followers came to resent him.
He had some good intentions, but he loved that power, and he abused it.
During his reign, Strang was accused of treason, theft, and widely criticized for being a polygamist.
King James Strang cultivated fear among his followers. He kind of ruled with an iron fist.
In 1856, it all came to a violent end.
Did you get already
Assassinated
that?
by his own followers.
Kasi it's not 10 minutes to
Who were about to adopt
Ah.
on the island.
Little bit, Melanie, still studying there. You're studying Tagalog. So you can meet Freddy Aguilar, my friend.
Disciples.
I already had dinner
Burned
with
to
him.
the ground.
He's having dinner with him.
Who went to job.
Yes.
They eat dinner together.
Since then,
He said he liked the song of Freddy Aguilar, Anak and the Magdalena.
People mentioned feeling very
Magdalena's,
there.
Magdalena, ikaw ay sawing palad. Kailan kanila maiintindihan? Oh, di ba? That's Magdalena. Magdalena. I forgot the anak already. I forgot the anak.
Todd Bonner. He has been hunting ghosts for nearly a decade. And while he always goes into an investigation prepared, he knows to expect the unexpected.
What interests me in the paranormal is the unknown. I usually get nervous. I've been scared and terrified, but it hasn't stopped me from doing this.
Loading, 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 loading. Loading, loading, loading.
We're the first ones that ever do an investigation on the island. The reason it intrigued us is because of the violent nature.
The house of VTV1 is already 2000.
When things are surrounded by water, that can act as a conduit for paranormal activity and kind of ramp it up.
For this investigation, Todd brings along psychic medium Randy Miller, fellow ghost hunter Jeff Atkins.
Yeah,
Going into investigative places that have been investigated is a really exciting feeling because you don't know what you're going to encounter. It's a really neat little community. It's beautiful. It's got a very old-timey feel. The island was very different back then when James Strang and his followers ran it. The building that we're investigating dating back to the 1850s. This print shop was actually built by James Strang and his followers. So we're going to be actually in his house. And we're really excited. We definitely thought that
VTV1 is live for three different lives.
But given the history of the island, I figured that he's probably not.
And it's a news coverage, like it's like it's news.
There's the bay. There's really no serious cell signal. Downside of being 35 miles off coast anywhere.
BTV1, are you a TV station? Like a TV station company?
More scary because it's not like you can just.
Because you have 4 different live here. And it's all about news. It's news. Wow, I have famous viewers from Indonesia and newscaster. Look, the coverage na in what that one in Vietnam. Who want to sponsor me and my husband? Hey, we want to go to Bali, me and my husband.
Thailand.
Thailand, or we gonna meet there in Thailand. It's near that one, only train.
This nice black, very ominous. You just look like an alien person.
Yeah, they have train. Yeah, in Bali, Indonesia.
Thailand?
Yeah, I know that song like this, Magdalena, ikaw ay sawing palad, kailan kanila maiintindihan. Yes, that's the lyrics. That's like that story is about the it's a innocent woman there in the province that uh
Boys come back saying he lost.
innocent woman in the grow up in the province, and she don't know she never been in the relationship, and then the time that she wants somebody, and then the parents don't want because like she's really very innocent.
Who was the king of this island?
Magdalena.
The team
Sawing palad, sawing palad.
friends, ex-followers.
I forgot already the whole song because it's a very old song of Freddie Aguilar. And Freddie Aguilar now it's like 82, 80 plus.
Say choose to or stop here. It's kind of interesting when they answer a direct question like that.
Wait, I'm gonna search
Stop here.
the lyrics of. Can you see also my video new one? Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Wait, I be Puja.
Or stop. They have to stay.
Yeah, I'm here now. Wait. Witty.
There's other business there. They're going to see King String pass on. Maybe he's still there. They want him to go.
The team is curious, wants to learn more. But the spirits are no longer interested.
Last time I sing also the lyrics, even I don't know if it's right or wrong.
They told us to take a hike. They were getting sick of us. Maybe they thought it was like King String and coming back in and taking over their stage. I really want to.
The increasingly negative tone worries.
The internet is very slow. It's like it turned for a long time.
And run into an islander with interesting information.
Yo, you guys want some real stuff? There's a building all the way on the south end of the island. I've seen
This was on the shoreline. The water.
Larawan mo isang nani isang putik. Larawan mo
There's a lot of energy in the environment that the spirit can use.
nani
Who's over there?
Magdalena ay di Puja.
It wasn't a pleasant feeling around this location. I want to say almost a creepy feeling. The hair on the back of your neck stood up. The energy was just super strong, made us feel very uncomfortable and scared.
All of a sudden, a figure appears before
Ay
Brandy.
di.
She saw a woman in a white dress standing out in front of this building, pointing back towards the road, saying, "Go, you need to leave, get out of here."
This one, a compilation of Puja songs, 20 songs of the best work.
Brandy tells
These 20 songs of the best work.
warning.
Yeah, it's one day
The
ago.
woman was saying it in a threatening way, but rather that she was
One
trying
day
to protect us
ago.
from something darker in the house.
Yippee! Thank you, Dada!
You know, you want to hold?
Despite her plea, the intruder went anyway.
Look him, Dada! He looks like Freddy right now. Look him.
We push the boundaries sometimes. Sometimes it's
Looks I'm here, Ivy. I'm gonna play this song then.
Todd and Jeff start an EVP session.
we were just asking like basic questions.
Yee, very yummy.
How long have you been here?
Brandy becomes extremely anxious as she sees the woman in white again.
Brandy tells this lady's in agitation. She wants you guys to go. Like, I'm protecting you. You need to go.
Again, they ignore the warning.
Jeff and I still have that inquisitive part of us that says we're not going to go. We're going to push forward and see what we can find.
It's not long before they hear footsteps coming from behind a closed door.
Very
That's-
unknown person in there like that.
Was
The
it Freddy
same.
or him?
Him!
Right.
Him!
It was scary. That's what was scary.
The woman in white is desperate.
Ikaw tak big to sikap mo membuato.
Brandy at that point felt so uneasy she got up and left. She's this lady's warning us
Sislin, kain tayo ng pagkain natin, dinner.
With Brandy safely outside, Todd and Jeff both
There's a woman also. Do it.
We ignored the warning, which now I look back, we probably should have took that warning.
they dared to communicate further with the entity.
I said at that point, can you open this door? The door was locked. You would not do Oras. You do that? You open up the door, that's it. You can't get the door, I don't want to like this. Can you open up the door for us?
The tension is almost unbearable.
Feel at ease, you can't feel comfortable, it's very strong. You start to feel that kind of desperation, like you should probably go. You should kind of get out of here before something does happen. We gotta get out of here.
Anxious and unnerved, they move to the home.
What did you hear?
The EVP voice they have captured leaves both investigators shaken to the core.
This EVP is probably the most notorious sounding EVP we've ever gotten. Just because of the tone of the voice, the darkness of it.
No. There's a
And then a laugh. I actually took the headphones off and threw them because I'd never heard anything so evil. It reminded me of something from a horror movie, The Voice. It was the scariest audio that we've ever captured. Sounded like two voices. It really quickly says Shipper, and then it says, I told you to go. But I told you to go sounded like a very dark, almost non-human voice. We were very, very on edge. The audio that we had captured was legitimately scary. I think it's the scariest thing that I ever heard. I think that voice was a negative presence that the woman in white was warning us about to go. It was lucky that we did leave when we did. We're done.
Why? What kind of spirit is that?
I don't know what would happen if we would stay longer.
The evil spirit.
We don't get that, so.
Their time on Beaver Island haunts them to this day.
The experience that we had with investigator definitely was an unnerving experience.
That terrifying experience doesn't end there.
For about 2 or 3 months later, I was out and about downtown Detroit. I walked into a washroom and I saw a scene of the painting to be from Bibigay. And at that point, I was just thinking out loud. I said, Shipper, I told you to go. And 5 seconds later, the bathroom went dark. The light switch actually turned off on its own. Something had enough energy to flip that light switch down. It was almost like cold chills went all through my body. I get goosebumps right now just thinking about it. You know, like the spirit was barely summoned by my thoughts, my words.
The huge ship's experience is a final warning. This time, they won't ignore it.
That's definitely paranormal activity. There are some dark energies on that island that holds a lot of power. So that's where any of our safety keep going back. I will not investigate anything.
The show has John Williams, a.k.a. Advanced Firearms Instructor, award-winning artist, and owner of a famous struggle of Hanap's Find out what's buzzing. CBS Reality. Reputation and Petrobras. I was really shocked. Despite that, the in Munster, Indiana, stands the historic Cassidy House.
2009, hotel, being
Built
investigated.
in March,
From 1910, so 2009, so 800 years old.
the house was entrusted to the Historical Society in 1988. When Helen, the last Cassidy descendant to live at the home, passed away. Then an unexplained activity starts.
In the Cassidy house, people had heard footsteps throughout the house, like a heavy boom. The door then all of a sudden opens or shuts. Or a window that does the same thing. Or we hear a stray voice that just seems to be coming out of nowhere.
There are also reports that Helen still lingers inside.
We can only see a woman standing in the window on the second floor.
Sige lang sis, luto ako na ng gibutang dama ninyo hapon na kumakain kami ng dinner.
Even after death, Helen is protective of her home. She's upon strangers disturbing. Does the guy who stayed in the house?
Kumakain kami ng dinner sis.
Whatever is there doesn't seem to really like that. It let them know so that don't do that. Whatever is there, it wants things to stay the same. It doesn't want any kind of change to happen.
The city, desperate to find a caretaker, offers free rent to anyone willing to live there.
That was wanted, nobody wanted to say that. The people even say property, free rent.
Disembodied voices, to see shadow figures, that no one lasts longer than a few days before being scared away.
See? Nobody goes longer than a few days in there, run away.
Search answers, administrators turn to paranormal investigators for help.
Stay for free.
J.C. Rosias has been working in this field for more than a decade.
I've always been very excited about any investigation that I go to, no matter what the background history. We really work hard to try to explain and see what this is actually happening. Why is this happening? Why is this occurring?
J.C. is the co-founder of Heartland Hauntings. He met his partner, Len Miller, because of the Cassidy House investigation.
I was the vice president of the Munster Historical Society for a couple of years. I had experience with paranormal activity there before I went to basement. I've always been of the belief that energy cannot be created nor can it be destroyed. Where does it go when we die? That's ultimately what I'm trying to find out.
The stories coming out of the Cassidy House intrigue many ghost hunters, including J.C. He arranges to investigate. Len and his daughter, Tori, also take part. This is Len's first formal investigation, but as a former homicide detective, he is a valuable asset.
I take my knowledge and training as a person and I use it. We heard some footsteps on the floor above us. Yeah. It's very mystic. There's nothing else that could be other than footsteps.
They just arrived in the house, like only a few minutes, they start to unpack the things, they already hear footsteps.
Police instincts kick in. He races upstairs to investigate.
Checked out all the rooms, all the closets, everything. There's nobody up there.
The team presses on with the investigation, but the spirits are far behind.
In the dining room was this glass punch bowl. All of a sudden there was this loud ringing, this resonant sound that just came from the punch bowl. Something had run right into it.
No.
What was that?
Like,
Did you hear that? That loud ding?
Yeah, it's like somebody used the glass and the dog bark. This dog.
There was a male voice that came through and said, I'll be all right.
that one is the voice of the year. Okay, so you're right. You're right.
Look, he's laughing.
It almost sounded like it had this, I dare say you use the word sinister. There was one former family member in the home. Never seemed to make the best sense.
Then, a terrifying presence sweeps through the room.
Also in the laboratory, she and I know the gust of wind, like somebody walking in front of us.
Me?
Like when somebody will pass you very close, it's like
It
wind.
was not at all.
Like that.
All the doors and windows were shut, so it couldn't be anything here.
There's no those windows open very good.
Yeah, let's do.
When it comes to interactive entities, everyone's guard should be up. What does it want? What does it want to do? You have to be cautious, you know.
What do you want?
Despite JC's concern, the team splits up. Len stays on the main floor, while JC and Tori go to the cellar.
I don't think so.
There, he has one of the strangest
Just like you can imagine someone taking a large blanket made out of spider webs. And very fine, very particular, like tiny electrical charges to it. And it felt like someone had ripped it over and aspirated. That's what the weirdest feeling I've ever had. It was something that would let me know that
Andito lang ako, sis.
I was
Kumakain kasi ako. Kumakain kasi ako, Day.
main floor. Len has
There's
a
more than one
terrifying
ghost there.
experience.
Yeah, it's a family. Kumakain kasi ako ba? Nahiya ako magnganganga.
it had the form of a human being, but I wasn't able to determine the
Len rushes out.
Nanonood kami ng ano ba, palabas na horror-horror. Habang kumakain.
I didn't hear footsteps.
Malapit na akong mag-end.
You just saw something of the paranormal.
He scans the area in hopes of finding the figure. But instead, something much more sinister finds him and attacks.
Attack.
He felt like at one point that
Ha?
there were
But you cannot see.
have any idea.
Yeah.
But I felt like I was going to have to fight for my life to get out of this.
In sheer terror, Len hurries inside, hoping to find safe haven there.
Outside was something I couldn't explain, something that I felt wanted to hurt me, and it was something that I had to get away from.
He calms his nerves and steels himself to investigate one of the epicenters of the activity, the bedroom, where Helen's mother died. There, he witnesses something unforgettable.
3 minutes na lang, sis, para mag-end na tayo, para ma-play ko na kayo. 3 minutes na lang.
Peeking around the corner,
Hmm.
trying to see what we were doing. I realized it was somebody who was out of this world the moment I saw it.
He thinks
He really saw?
must be Helen.
That's now in the bedroom.
She appeared to be an older lady. Her hair was in the style that Helen liked to wear. The best way I could describe her, she was solid, but she was also opaque at the same time. It was almost as
That's the way they see her. It's like she's real.
like a woman
Ah.
that's standing
Just the color and the shape and the hair.
to actually look and see this for myself. But I knew by looking at him, something got his attention.
Did you see her? JC, she's right here.
I wanted to try and find her, but there was nobody on that floor. Windows were all shut and locked, so there's no way they could have gotten out of the scene.
Then, suddenly, the atmosphere of the home
Sige, anong oras na ba dyan ho sa inyo?
It doesn't seem to have this overbearing sense.
Alas 8 ng gabi.
I didn't feel any animosity. I didn't feel anything that would make me worry.
Ang dinner ko ba, bread lang.
I don't think she particularly liked it because it was a but I think she accepted it.
Pero nagluto ako ng leche flan. Iwan ko ano nangyari sa leche flan, dada.
I don't know what
At this time, the Munster Historical Society, with the overwhelming evidence that we had given them, had proclaimed the casting house to be haunted.
Ayun, patapos na tayo, patapos na. Para ma-play ko na kayo. Send ko sa inyo pag mag-start na ako, i-send ko sa inyo tapos bukas pag matapos na siya, i-send ko din. Ha?
For the paranormal behavior, I'm not really sure what this means or stands for.
I had to say
Salamat sa inyong dalawa, ha? Sisley at saka Melanie.
that main question that we all have as investigators. Why
Magbabay na ako mga inday.
is happening?
is one